Roasting hot dogs. Very good. Look at that. With ketchup inside. We have arrived. Graves Island, number 34. We've been in this park many times. Very nice. Not this spot, but a smaller spot. But last person left us some wood. Gonna put our canopy up there. This smaller area, but I mean, company comes. Still got parking over there. Put a tent in the front area here. So for the night here. One nighter. We're at my cousin's place the other night by their house. Had a little family get together. It was beautiful. So we'll come down today and me and the wife have a good time. Canopy is going up again. 13 by 13. Beautiful canopy. Nice and sunny and really warm today early. So we'll get that up, get some shade, put the picnic table underneath. And that way be able to cook our supper underneath in the shade and enjoy a little bit of coolness anyway. But I'm not complaining. So here we are again. Yep. Get that set up. Takes no time at all. Got a nice supper tonight. Sit in the shade inside or out in the sun, but it's really, really hot right now. Thank you guys for coming along. Get this adventure going. Go for a little walk later in the pass. See some nature overlooking the water and that. So we'll check out all that later. We're just here for the night. Got to leave tomorrow probably by 9, 10 in the morning, something like that. So we'll catch up to you in a bit. All up. Looking good. Nice and shaded area. Fire pit right there. Somebody left us some wood, so we get some wood for tonight. Maybe another little bundle. We're good. So now to get a cold beverage on ice. We'll come and check that out. Yes, gonna be yummy. Come on. Little veggie tray and a dip. Extra marshmallows, mushrooms, extra mushrooms. That's what we're having today. No more chippies. Chippies are gone. Eating a little healthier these days. So we're doing good. Gonna boil some water up. Spaghetti and chicken and Alfredo sauce. Gonna be delicious. Gonna be delicious. 4 cheese Alfredo. We're gonna mix probably half and half and mushroom Alfredo. We'll see. That's on the menu for tonight. Get this chicken cooked out. Water's boiling now. Won't take long to boil that. Just working here. The two butane ones going here. The water's going pretty good. Going to be boiling good. Put our chicken breast in. Oh yeah. Turn this down a little bit. Medium. Going to be yummy, yummy. Spices like always. Smoldering smoked applewood. That one there. Put a little kiss of spice in there. And we got the berry habanero and roasted garlic. We'll put that on the back side when we stir this a bit. Right up there. Frying up good now. Cook them good, and then we'll put our veggies in there. Mix them with spaghetti going in. Cook it all up. We're starving. And we'll, to the next station, we're going to put our veggies in. A little bit more oil. Mushrooms. I don't know what else to get in there. Mushrooms and zucchini. There you go. Mix all them in. More oil in that. Yeah. Don't want them to burn. Water is boiling. Spaghetti's going good. More cheese. Alfredo sauce going in with the chicken. Oh yeah. And turn that down a little bit. Quite a bit. No, right. A little bit of milk. I don't know how much, but we're just going to guess it. A little bit of milk and some butter. A little bit of butter, the cheese. It's going to be fun to get it up. A little cheese just here. We'll get it. One. Some butter in there. Butter in there. There we go. Mix it all around. All around the cheese. Makes it nice and creamy. Spaghetti, I think, is done. Strain that. Give that a little taste. Put the cheese in the Alfredo sauce. Mix it all together. And voila. Another. I'm going to taste it right now. Just take a couple strands, and you don't want it too tough, right? You know? Perfect. We'll put probably a couple cheese in here. I don't know. Everybody likes cheese, so let's see. Yeah, that should be good. Cheese in there, let that melt around. Turn this off. Spaghetti, got to do that. Shake this all around in here. Oh yeah. There. That should be done. Pretty well done now. We'll turn that down, serve it. Spaghetti is also done. We're going to strain that and then put everything together. And voila. Alfredo. Chicken Alfredo. Spaghetti. Yummy, yummy in your tummy. I got these little oven mitts for straining stuff, hot water. Look. Baby shark, do 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 do. Baby shark, do 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 do. They're pretty cool. $5 Canadian Tire. So mini oven mitts. We'll do that. Now I'm gonna take everything here and pour it on in. Ooh, look at that. Delicious. I do little by little, guys, because I mix it all through. So I don't want nothing dripping here. Pour it all in. Might need to add more sauce. We shall see at the finale here. I'll cover the top and then I will dump everything else in. Mix that in. Shoot. Just hold on. It's okay. See, hard to see the sauce when you get in there anyway. Yeah. Mix it in. Ooh, that looks delicious. Yeah. Chicken Alfredo and a spaghetti pasta. Spaghettini pasta. So we'll check this out. Serving time. We made plenty, so there possibly could be seconds tonight. Who knows? There we go. Look at that, guys. They look good. Yummy, yummy. Check her out. Okay, and check this out. See how she tastes. Mmm. That is yummy. I might throw a little bit of pepper in mine, but it's very good. Another Coke or a Diet Pepsi. Mmm. Hit me up in the comments what you'd like me to do for a meal. I've been covering them all, different ones. Hamburger, hot dog, pork chop, steak, and Alfredo. What else you call it? Goulash. Give me some ideas, guys. I'll check them out. Okay, very good. I gotta go devour this. We'll go on a little nature walk. See where it leads us. The humidity's going. It wasn't terrible, but it was for a little bit there. So, take a little stroll. See where it leads me to. Nice little opening of water down there. Go down and check it out. Path going that way. Path going that way. But look at this. We got a bench. Sit down on a bench and reminisce and look at the bay. Look at the view out here. Wow. Isn't that beautiful? Nice and calm. Picture perfect day. Well, this is nice. Look at that. Do an act of kindness when you take a rock, leave a rock, and spread the love. Very nice. Look at that. Love you forever. Different rocks in there. That is very nice. Some flowers. Very, very nice, guys. I like seeing this kind of stuff. That's what we need to see more often. Spreading some love around. And this bench here is the grateful bench. Sit a while to express gratitude for the beauty that surrounds us in honor of Melanie, Cousins, beloved teacher at CD's. There you go. They're honoring her. Very nice. You're gonna like that. Hi. Come here. Little squirrel playing on the rocks. Look at him go. He's heading on out. Like seeing nature. This view sitting on this rock, it's just picture perfect. Picture perfect. That little rock down there is amazing, beautiful, very nice. Someone got some flowers there too. And, yeah, it's what we need in the world, guys. Peace and happiness and appreciation for life, definitely. Yeah. Just sitting on this bench here, you know, being grateful. Could be a lot worse, right? There's always somebody worse off than yourself, so enjoy life, have fun, be respectful, enjoy nature, everybody. That's what it's all about. That's what it's all about, definitely. Sit here, nice breeze. Should have brought a fishing rod down. Not today, no fishing today. You know, but it's nice. Appreciate you guys coming along, checking out the adventures. Just a one night here in Graves Island, home bay area. So we'll head out early in the morning and we'll call that a wrap. We don't have much to do in the morning. Take down the canopy and stuff like that and clean up. So, okay, guys, we'll have a fire hopefully going tonight, and we'll see you then. See you in a bit. Fish out there jumping, I think there's some flies out in the water, fish jumping, the seagulls flying, look at them go. Whoa, there's a school or something out there, guys. Definitely a school or something. I think mackerel are running too, I don't know. But look at them all. See some water views soon, hopefully. There's another trail going up that way, which you may take. And look at this. Very nice. Another one over there. There he is. Sun peeking through, beautiful. Must be an old house or something. I don't know. It's following us up to the top. Little shortcut. See where we end up. That one was a little cut off. The worker spot up there. Garbage cans and that, I guess. Well, we'll find our way back. Another trail. Roasty the big hot dogs. Oh, I get too much wood in there. Cheddar hot dogs, loaded. And try them out. Snyder's. Roasting hot dogs. Very good. Look at that. With ketchup inside. Morning time, morning time. Time to get going. Up and at it, guys. Clean up the van, take down the canopy, roll on out of here early. Everything together, clean up the mess around here. It was a good night though, really good night. Nice, good weather. Nice and warm again today, so we'll do it all again. See you in a bit. We'll go it all cleaned up here. Wake up. All cleaned up and ready to roll. Left some wood for some other people that come along. Some was left for me. But yeah, make sure you're at somewhere, guys. Clean up your campsite. That's what it's all about. Keeping everything clean before you go. Clean on what you left it. Yeah. Here we go again. Home for a few days and then out again. I gotta go around to you. It's beautiful down here.